CLE was founded in 2008 year. Shenzhen Kingsheng PCBA founded in 2010 year. The two companies have the same founder and is the only owner. Are a full-service electronic contract provider. ISO 9001, UL, CSA, ES 16949 and CCC certified manufacturer. Welcome to Shenzhen Kingsheng PCBA factory. Let me show you our production workshop. Brand new equipment. We have 16 SMT production lines. All production line equipment belongs to the mainstream equipment in the industry. We use the latest Fuji S3 and AMAX devices. The hourly installation points 340,000 points. Excellent production capacity. Next, we will showcase our production process. Fully automatic placement of PCB board. Placing PCB board. Sucking PCB board through vacuum suction rod. Place it on the track again and complete the transfer. It is the second side. Using gas to push the PCB board. Move it onto the track. Complete transmission. Different PCB boards. It will automatically adjust its size. Transfer. Positioning after stopping the track. Arriving at the solder paste printing machine. This is our solder paste printing. When adding solder paste, we will add a regular amount of solder paste to ensure the activity of the solder paste. Landing after printing. Solder paste printing completed. We have a fully automatic 3D SPI solder paste thickness gauge. It can avoid solder problems on PCBs. Check the height, thickness, volume, and leakage of solder paste. Check for defects such deviation, insufficient solder, and solder connection. This will ensure the quality of our products. SMT. Reflow. AOI detection. Three-dimensional X-ray. BGA repair bench. DIP. Selective free-proof paint. Warehousing and packaging.